Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how you can fund your Bybit wallet. Yes, I did a video on how you can fund your Binance wallet. That is why I'm also doing this video too, because people are requesting for it, and it's so simple. Just that the interface of the Bybit is different from the interface of the Binance. So I will be taking you through on how you can fund your Bybit wallet as well. So follow me as I show you step-by-step guide on how you can do that. The first thing you need to do is go and open your Bybit wallet. So this is my Bybit wallet. It's already logged in, and this is the interface. This is how it will show. This is what it will show you when you click on Bybit. And the next thing you need to do is to go under P2P. You remember we're using P2P on Binance, and same here too. We are using P2P, people to people. So that is the meaning of P2P. So if you check this whole icon very well, you will notice there is no P2P there. There is no P2P. The whole of here, there is no P2P. So where are you going to get the P2P? The next thing you need to do now is to click on more. Click on more. This is the more I'm talking about. Just click on more. After clicking on more, you will be able to find P2P. You will be able to find P2P, and this is the P2P. This is the P2P. Click on it, and once you click on it, it will take you straight to this place. Acknowledge. It will take you straight to this place. And some of the things you need to consider before buying your USDT, or before funding your wallet, or before choosing your buyers. Number one is always check their percentage of accuracy, percentage of delivering. So, and this is where you get that. This is it. Percentage. This is it. 99% here, 97% here, 99% also here, and so on. That's the first place you need to check. And after checking that, the second thing you need to check is their prices. Their prices, because their prices varies. This is 882.90 per USDT, 882.95 per USDT, and 882.98 per USDT, and so on. They all have different prices. That's the second thing you need to consider. And the third things, which I can say you should do that first once you click on this page, is to go to filter. Yeah, it is very important. Go to filter. This is the filter I'm talking about. Once you click on it, you will be able to filter the verified seller or buyers from the unverified one. Make sure you buy from the verified one only. It's for your own safety. Just click on show only verified advertisers. Click on it and confirm. So these are the verified advertisers. So among things you need to consider is the prices. Always go for the one with lesser price, the one with the cheapest price, because their prices are diverse. Their prices are diverse. So make sure you always go for the one with the cheapest price. And fourth thing you need to consider is if the buyers or the seller is online or not. You will see a tiny blue icon, a tiny blue dot shown on each seller. Let me show you. This is it. This is it. This is what I'm talking about. You can see the green dot. You see the green dot here. You see the green dot here, and so on. It means they are online. If you see the green dot, it means they are online. And if they are not online, beneath their name, they will show you when they left online. Maybe you left 3 hours ago or 2 hours ago. They will show you that. And the next thing you need to do is to click on buy. Click on buy. But before you click on buy, check the advertisers and look for the quality of the USDT they have before reaching out to them. If you can see this, you will see quality. You will see quality here. You will see limit here, and the payment method the person accept. You can see PalmPay, Kuda, OPay, bank transfer. Any kind of bank transfers, this seller accept that. So always look for the USDT they have before clicking on it. Let's assume you want to buy 1,000 USDT. Things you need to know that this first advertiser, the speed of light, the first advertisers does not have up to that. As you can see for yourself, he only have 533 point something USDT. That is what I mark here, 533 USDT, which means this person can't sell more than 533.69 USDT. If you check the second advertisers, this one have up to 2,114 USDT, and the third one have 3,531 USDT, and so on, which means what you're buying, the amount of USDT you're buying will depends on who you will be buying from. You understand? The amount of USDT you'll be buying, it depends on who you'll be buying for. So this one that only have 533 USDT sells USDT 882 per USDT, and this one with 2,114 USDT sells 83.50 USDT. So the price varies. So the next thing to do now, okay, for this purpose of this training, let me just get maybe USDT. Maybe let me go for 100 USDT or more than that. Okay, let me go for 1,150k USDT. I mean in Naira. So that's what I'm saying. So just click on buy. Click on buy, and after you click on buy, the next thing you need to do is to enter the amount of USDT in Naira you want to buy. If it's your own local currency, just enter the amount you want to buy in your own local currency. So just enter, let me write 150,000. So 150,000 is equivalent to 169.89 for something USD. Let me just make it 170 USDT in total. And just 150,000. Okay. Good, this is it's too much. I want to make it 170 USDT in total. This is where it is displaying USDT. Since I'm clicking here, it's showing the USDT equivalent here. That is what I mark. It's showing the USDT equivalent here. You can see 171.0272 blah 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 USDT, and I want to buy 170 USDT. That is what I'm after, 170 USDT. So let me just change this. 151,000. Okay, about this. Okay, 150,500. Okay, this one is okay. It's still within the range, 170 USDT. Then after that, you type the amount you want to buy here, and it display it. After you type the amount you want to buy here, it show you the equivalent USDT here. The next thing is to click on buy. Just click on buy. After you click on buy, then it will display the seller's details, which you are going to make payment to. It will display it here. You can see price is 82.90 USDT, price is 0 USDT, transaction fee, speed of light, Stanley something. And after you check all these details, and before you click on buy, the thing I will like to advise you to always do is to contact the seller first to know if he is online or not. Just click here and you will see don't use crypto related words like USDT, BTC, etc as description when making payment. It is very important. Don't use any crypto related words in your description while making payment. If you do that, your money is gone. And the second thing, from this buyer, he doesn't want money from third party, which means the name displayed on your account on Bybit should be the same name you'll be paying from. Your name, the bank you'll be paying from, the name you use in the bank should be the same with the name you use on your Bybit wallet, your account. And don't open trade if you don't have the intention to make payment. You understand? Don't click on payment if you don't have the intention of making payment. So the next thing you need to do is you can type, are you online? I am making payment now, and I want quick release of funds. And just send it to him like this. The next thing you need to do is to just back and click on pay now. Pay now. After you click on pay now, it will show you the details of the person you are paying to, the account details of the person you are paying to. You understand? So you said log into your account, bank transfer, transfer to seller. So pay. So they're asking you to select your payment method. Are you paying with PalmPay, Kuda, or OPay? So I'm paying for my Kuda account, so I'm clicking on Kuda. So I'm paying to this account. I'm paying to this account. This is the bank details, the person details. Yeah, the person details. So this seller is also using Kuda, and I'm also using Kuda, which is so nice. So the next thing you need to do is go to your Kuda account and copy this account number. Make sure you study the name Ewodage Stanley. I don't know how, maybe I get it correct. Just make sure you know the name you're paying to and you copy the account number. Go to your bank app and make the transfer of 150,500 or the amount you're buying. After then, click on payment completed. So I will do that now. I will pause this video and do that now. After then, I will come back and click on payment completed. As you can see, I'm about to make the payment. I select the bank and I've pasted the person account details here. The next thing is click on next and make the payment. You remember 152,000, 150,000, no, 150,500. Yeah. From Abdul Mutalib. It doesn't necessary. You can just leave the description or just type in anything. But remember, don't use any crypto related words. Don't use any crypto related words. You remember? So just click proceed. So you've sent the person, you can see 150,500 is on its way to Stanley Ewodage. Done. The next thing you need to do is go back to your Bybit and click on payment completed. But before that, he sent me some message. Let me check. He said, yeah, make payment. So no problem. I've clicked on payment complete. To avoid rotation on P2P, please ensure payments are made from an account that matches your registered name. Like what I mentioned earlier, that the account you're paying for should match with the name you use on your Bybit. So just click on confirm. So I've made the payment and I'm waiting for the seller to release the fund. I'm waiting for him to release the fund. So you see the assets of the seller have been locked. Completed payment are secure. Please wait while the seller is releasing the coins you've just purchased. So I'm waiting for the seller to release the funds. You can message him again. You have completed the payment. Please wait for the seller to release the coin. You can release now since I have paid. Just to make it fast, that is why you're doing this. It doesn't necessarily sometimes. So let me wait for the seller to release the coin, and after that we are ending this video. You see, completed, received 170.46 blah blah USDT. So I've made the payment and it released the coin. This is how simple you can fund your wallet. You can fund your Bybit wallet. So just go back and let me see if it is really in my account or not. Back, let me go to assets. So as you can see, this is the money the seller just sent to me. I paid him and he released the equivalent in USDT, 170.46 USDT. So this is how easily you can fund your Bybit wallet. I hope you find this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment if you want me to create any video related, any crypto related video, trading, or anything you don't understand on this platform. You can just comment under this video and I will do video on that. Share it with friends and family. Thank you for watching. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you and see you in my next video.